Hey, JD, and I'm going to show you these chords you can do. G flat here, walk up. Alright, the main thing is walk up to the 3, going from the 1 to the 3. Alright, so let me give you these chords. We're in G flat, have a B, F, alright. All black notes starting on G flat with a B and F. Alright, so our first chord is going to be a 1 chord, G flat major 9. Left hand I'm playing G flat, D flat, G flat. Right hand I'm playing A flat, B flat with my thumb, D flat, and G flat. Alright, and we're going to hit this G flat up top as often as possible. Next chord, we're going to play a G major 7, sharp 11. Left hand I'm playing G, D, and G. Right hand I'm playing A and B with my thumb, which is the 9th and the 3rd of G. Then I'm playing my D flat, G flat up top. So we have, alright. Next, playing a A flat minor 9 chord. Left hand A flat, E flat, and G flat. Right hand A flat and B flat with my thumb, and then B and G flat. You can put the E flat in if you want to. So we have. Alright, next chord, you're gonna play. Playing A minor 7 in my left hand, A, E, and G. Right hand, I'm playing a B minor 7, but I'm playing it A, D, and G flat. Alright, but overall it gives me an A13 sus4. Alright, that's going to take you to your 1 chord or your 3. Left hand I got B flat. You just play B flat and G flat. Your left hand, right hand, A flat, B flat, D flat, and G flat. Same chord you started off with, but we played it over G flat. Just playing it over B flat now. So we have. When you hit that, when you go to the B minor over A, alright, A minor 7 shell. Alright, when you do that, come off the D flat to hit the D. And then when you go back to it, it gives you that resolution. Alright. If you want to take it all the way around, so you're going from the 3. Alright, so you're going from that 3 chord there, right here. We can go to that 6 by passing off the D. So let me give you that chord. Play the D augmented 7. Alright. Just spell it out to your left hand. D, B flat, right on my left hand. Or you can play the tritone. D and A flat, don't matter. Alright, right hand. D, I'm going to play D and B flat. Right hand. D, G flat, A flat, D flat. Alright. And that's going to resolve to an E flat minor 7 chord. I'm going to walk from the D flat to the B to get to the D minus, to the E flat minor 7. So left hand E flat, B flat, right hand I'm playing the G flat major chord, second inversion. So I D flat, G flat, B flat. So we have. Alright, that's my 6, that E flat minor 7 chord. Then I got to get to my 2, so I'm gonna pass off this chord here. Left hand G, D flat, or you can play G and E flat, don't matter. once again, I'm going to play that E flat. Right hand, I'm playing G, B flat, D flat, G flat. Alright? And that sets me up to go to my 2, my A flat minor 7. So A flat, E flat, right hand, G flat, B, G flat. Coming off the B flat. When I got here, I just walked up. D flat and A flat with the D flat and F. And then E flat, B flat, D flat, and G flat. Then some kind of, then I play D flat major chord over F. Alright. Alright, that move. So you got, you end up on that D flat major with the F in the left hand. Then I'm gonna hit the G flat. I'm gonna play a 4 chord, B major. Alright, B, G flat, right hand, B flat, E flat. Then I'm gonna go to a B flat minor 7. Alright, B flat, F, and then A flat, D flat. I know I'm going fast. These aren't the main chords of the video, so. Alright, then I'm gonna go to a 2 chord. Alright. Or walk up. I showed you. And take it home. But the main thing from this video, that walk up right there. Then, however you'd like to do your 3/6, 2-5-1. Alright, so I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.